Number 5 asks us to solve this system by substitution. What substitution means is to plug in. So we have y equals to x. So what we're going to do is plug in the y as x. So we can grab the second equation here, right? We take out the x, we take out the y, and we plug in a x where it's supposed to be. There you go. Now we can solve for it, right? That is what we are essentially doing. Okay, so let me write it for you and show it to you. Okay, we plug in an x for where the y is, then we put in everything else. Now we can solve for x. So we can minus 2x to both sides. This cancels, leaving us with a negative 1x is equal to negative 8. Then we see a negative 1, so we can divide by negative 1 to both sides. This gets us x is equal to 8. We're not done because the solution requires us to get a y. We know that y is equal to x, so we can plug in the 8 for the x. And there you go. The solution here would be the point of 8, 8. Let's do b. Here we see that x is equal to negative 7y. So we can now just plug that in. Where we see x, we plug in negative 7y. So I can erase the x and plug in the negative 7y. These two are like terms. I can combine them. Negative 7x plus 8x becomes 1x. So I can just get y is equal to 1. Now I can plug it back in to get my x term. I know that x is equal to negative 7y, and I can plug in the 1 for the x, for the y. I can now simplify this as x is equal to negative 7. So here, my solution would be the point x comma y. So I write negative 7 comma 1 would be the valid solution.